Mega Money Mondays. Today, day trading live on YouTube, making over $2,000, baby. $2,100 to be exact, in the Topstep Combine. At one point, we had over 600 people watching. An amazing day. We had a beautiful trade right out of open. I'm going to show you guys the trade, show you what went down, all that live stuff. And the best part about it is all the things that you're going to see in this video, I talk about on the channel constantly. I talk about my strategies, my entries, my exits. We did exactly what we needed to do. So over the weekend, we talked about the emotion of losing, right? Like we have this fear of losing because once we enter a trade, the reason that we end up taking profit early is because we're fearful that we're going to lose. And well, I was able to manage that fear, able to manage the trade. I'm going to show you guys a trade right here in a second, and well, we're going to get right into it. If you guys haven't already tuned in at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, you're missing out. So tune in for the live streams every morning at 9:30. We're going to be doing it live every morning. So let's get into the live action.
Yeah.
Possibly a good setup. I want to watch the 10s as well. If we pop over the 10 level, look to get long there for a squeeze up here. There it goes, over 10s now to the 11s. I'm going to not take this trade right here yet. I'm going to wait for more of a better pullback. Be patient. If you're just now tuning in, you haven't hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow up that subscribe button. Let's go to the moon together, my friends. Nice little pullback so far. Maybe I could have gotten short up there at the 13s. I hate shorting without getting that retest. You know, I like to get a retest, but this was kind of a retest. So you're trying to get a little bit of support coming in here, pushing back up off that EMA level now. So trying to push above the 10s now. Like I said, looking for a move up to the 20s here. We're in at the 09s. Looking good for the push of the 15s now. You can see my target up there at the 19s from the 09 entry. So looking for that 10 handle move up here. Just like we talked about over the weekend. Everything looking good for that to push. So we can just kind of ride this momentum now. I'm going to move my stop up here to just risk 250. I'll look to add if we push above 115 as well. If we push above 115, I'll look to add. Looking to add here if we push through it strong at the 15s. Would have liked to seen like this an explosion through that 15 level to add into, but I'm going to move my stop up to the 11s now just to guarantee at least $200 in profit. The bottom of this low right there. Looking to add. Definitely going to add if we push through 15s here. I think if we push through 15s, it'll be stronger. And we can have that confirmation to get that move up there to the 19s. We're going to push over the high and to add above the high push. Get this to go through the 16s to the 19s. Let's go, boys. Up there to 17s now. Looking for a 19. 19s. 1825. Still looking for 19s here. I'm going to take one off right there. We're at 1825. Not to be too greedy. There we go. Through the 19s. Beautiful. We got one contract left, boys. Let's fucking go. Woo! I love it. Don't you fucking love it when it just works out like that? All right, so I got one contract left. We'll put it at stop, break even here. Looking for a push above the 20s now. Is that not the best trade you've ever seen? God, I feel so good. I feel so good right now. Let's go. I woke up this morning. I'm like, remember we made a video over the weekend? Like, my plan is this. This is what my plan is. I'm going to move my stop to guarantee at least $50. Or let's just go $25 guaranteed here on that last contract. Up to the 20s there. 120s just like we wanted. There's that stop. We got stopped out. So basically, let's just break down that trade really quickly. What was going on? How we had that so simply, so easily. Look at it right here. That's all it was. This yellow line. Drew that line there. Once we got that breakout, got in at the 09s. Looking for that push up to that resistance on this channel. We identified that channel pre-market. I mean, it's not fucking rocket science, boys. Now all we got to do is wait for a pullback here, wait for the next setup, and then we do it again. Do that over and over and over every day. You're going to make lots and lots of money, my friends. Just follow the plan, follow the rules. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, who else is doing it like we're doing it? 100%, baby. On the money, on the money. Hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below what could I do differently to make these videos even more enjoyable. Also, today is the last and final day to get 35% off of the Topstep Combine. 35% off your first month. There's a link down below. You use the code Monday35. Monday35. 35% discount. It's too good to pass up, my friends. If you haven't already checked out Topstep, like I said, there's a link down below. Let's get back into the live action. Looking for 38s for the move up, another 10 handles. We're already guaranteed that we're locking in at least $100 in profit here. but would like to get that move up to 38s for 10 handles. I could really take off now because I could take this off right here if I wanted to, but I'm going to let this one ride a little longer. I think we go 38s first. There we go. 37s. 37s, 37s. I'm going to move my stop up to the 32s to guarantee at least $200 in profit here on this one contract. But we're looking for that push up above the 38s. 43, 43, 43, Todd. Okay, okay. I'll just got to close my eyes. Whatever Todd says, I do. Been getting an increase in volume through this move, so looking good. Up there at 37, 25 so far. Looking for 38s or higher. I'm going to move my stop to the bottom of that candle right there. So guarantee we lock in at least $250 of profit here. And might get stopped out here at the 33.50s for $250 in profit. Let's see. Will she bounce here again off the 34s? And getting stopped out there for $250 in profit. I'm happy with that either way. Now we can just kind of sit back here and look for the next opportunity. Seller stacking up there at the 34s right now. Oh, you want to see my P&L? Right now we're up $1,600 on the day. 100% accuracy so far. No losers. Only winners, baby. $1,600 in profit. Not a bad way to start the day. All right, so there it is. The great thing about today is it was just one of those days where it was simple, right? We took the trades we're supposed to. We had the setups. We had the focus. We had our overall game plan, you know, our risk to reward. Everything was perfectly in line, and we were able to capitalize, make the money, and then walk away in the green. And that's exactly what I want to do every day. Every day, I want to do that same exact thing. I want to wake up. I want to make money. I want to walk away green, right? Like it's that simple. Like that's exactly how I want to trade every day. And this is a great example of that. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning live on YouTube, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Peace.
Yeah.